Welcome to CodeBooks Academy. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore Xero, an innovative cloud-based accounting software tailored for small to medium-sized businesses and accountants. Xero offers a streamlined approach to financial management, enabling businesses to stay connected with their data, accountants, and employees effortlessly. Here's what makes Xero stand out. Easy invoicing. With Xero, creating and sending custom professional invoices is a breeze. You can automate invoice reminders, accept online payments, and keep track of outstanding invoices, improving your cash flow. Bank connections. Connect your bank accounts to Xero for automatic transaction imports. This feature simplifies the reconciliation process, ensuring your financials are always up to date with minimal manual entry. Real-time financial reporting. Access a wide range of financial reports anytime, anywhere. Profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports are available in real time, offering valuable insights into your business performance. Payroll integration. Xero provides a comprehensive payroll solution that integrates your accounting. It simplifies payroll processing, tax calculations, and employee management, all within the same platform. Expense management. Track and manage your expenses with ease. Photos of receipts, categorize expenses, and even reimburse employee expenses directly through Xero. Project tracking. For businesses that operate on a project basis, Xero's project tracking tools help manage time, monitor project performance, and keep budgets in check, ensuring profitability. Cloud-based security. With Xero, your financial data is securely stored in the cloud. This means you can access your accounts safely from any device, anywhere, with robust encryption and multiple layers of security. Collaboration. Share access with your team members and accountants without compromising control. Xero's permission settings ensure that the right people have the right access. Mobile app. The Xero mobile app puts your business's financials at your fingertips. Whether it's sending invoices, recording receipts, or checking bank balances, managing your finances on the go has never been easier. Xero transforms the way businesses handle their finances, offering an intuitive, comprehensive platform that adapts to your needs. It's not just about accounting. It's about making your business operations smoother, more efficient, and connected. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Xero at CodeBooks Academy. If you're keen on mastering Xero and other accounting software, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials. Your journey to financial mastery starts here. See you in the next video.